Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Carnival in Jamaica, a big revenue generator, pulled $165.7 billion in revenue in 2025. It's more than just revealing costumes that leave very little to the imagination. The brightly colored feathers, the gems, the massive backpacks, and breakfast parties. Carnival in Jamaica is a big player in the tourism and creative industries economy. On Wednesday morning, during a press briefing, Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett revealed that last year's figures were up nearly 48% when compared with the previous year.
Carnival in Jamaica generated $165.7 billion Jamaican dollars in total economic output. That is up from $111.7 billion in 2024 and represents an increase of nearly 48% in a single year.
Tourists are bringing in the big bucks. Locals also digging deep into their pockets.
Direct spending related to Carnival reached $7.7 billion Jamaican dollars in 2025. Local revelers, approximately 7,400 of them, spent an average of $433,302 Jamaican dollars each, contributing roughly $3.1 billion Jamaican dollars in direct economic activity. International patrons, about 5,400 visitors, spent an average of US $5,320.89 each, with total direct visitor spending reaching 23.6 million US, or approximately 3.76 billion Jamaican dollars.
But due to the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa, which delayed the marketing of this year's carnival, there may be a dip in numbers.
From the local side, yes, we're seeing a downtrend of revelers. From the overseas side, we're still seeing an increase, typically late now. But from a local standpoint, we're seeing where persons are now being more interested as it comes closer to Carnival. I mean, it's a trend with Jamaicans, we're always very last minute. But yes, we did identify a small downturn in the local support based on the fact that we think it was affected by the devastation from Hurricane Melissa.
But it's not just reveler numbers feeling the ripple effects of Melissa.
Couldn't get sponsorship early, which is a critical part of keeping the costs of Carnival low and attractive to international tourists.
Carnival in Jamaica kicks off on the 8th of April. The highly anticipated road march is slated for the 12th. On the international scene, Australia's highest court has ruled that Sydney fashion designer Katy Perry can sell clothing under her own name, ending a 17-year trademark dispute with pop star Katy Perry. The conflict began in 2009 with a cease and desist letter. An Australian court took away the designer's trademark altogether since the singer was more popular. On Wednesday, the country's highest court overturned that ruling. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.